the Calcutta High Court heard the case of ED versus IPAC. The writ petitions were filed from both sides, Trinamool Congress and ED, on January 9th. The raids took place on January 8th. Now, what happened in this case at the Calcutta High Court? Well, the case was deferred to January 14. And on January 14, what the court decided was that as far as maintainability is concerned, there is no maintainability of this matter. And here's why. Number one, it is because the question arose as to why the petitioner Subhashish Chakravarti was not somebody who was present at the venue when the raids took place, and instead it should be Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee or the Director General of Police Rajiv Kumar or the Commissioner of Police Manoj Verma who should be made party to this case. The second question is that why is IPAC not made party to this case? Another aspect that was brought up by the Trinamool Congress was that Subhashish Chakravarti was indeed the signatory of this petition, and that has been something that the court already knows. But however, the court said that there's no maintainability of this petition because the ED said that they are not in possession of any data, documents or devices, and that is the concern of the Trinamool Congress. They said that the data should be protected because there was data related to elections and data related to the political party and the political strategy, because IPAC is the political strategist of the Trinamool Congress. To this, ED said that they are not in possession of any data, and they are not in possession because Mamata Banerjee took away all this data. So that is something that the ED has put on record, and on basis of this there was no maintainability found to this petition. The second petition that was heard in the Calcutta High Court was about the ED versus IPAC case, and to that Justice Shivra Ghosh said that because the special leave petition is already pending in the Supreme Court, which is similar to the matter being heard at the Calcutta High Court, the case has been deferred or rather adjourned till the time the Supreme Court hears this case or comes to a conclusion, which in effect means that it is the Supreme Court now that will decide the future of this case. With Salil Bera, this is Prema Rajaram.